SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to use the Reset Network Settings iPhone option. This video is part of our 1-minute guide series where we provide tutorials that are 1 minute in length or less. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to reset the network settings on your iPhone, then you need to open the Settings app. Scroll down and select the General option. Scroll to the bottom of this screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset at the bottom of this screen. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if you have one. Then tap Reset Network Settings again. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this. To read the full article, click the link in the description.